Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we have a custom J200, an extremely special custom J200 from the folks at Gibson, just down the road. But before we get into this guitar, I want to make sure you sign up for the Acoustic Letter so you can see my shining face every week. But more importantly, you get new cool guitars every week in your email, right there. This custom J200 is called the Custom Double Vine for a very important reason. Throughout the fingerboard, on the pickguard, and on the headstock, we have a very cool inlay pattern. It's a vine inlay pattern, but two types of materials are being used. We have mother of pearl bordering abalone, which is absolutely striking. The fingerboard, headstock, and pickguard of this guitar is absolutely stunning. Also on this custom J200, we have a solid spruce top. We have flame maple back and sides with a rope binding center strip. We have the fantastic red sunset burst. We have this classy pickguard, which is just like on the Western Classic, but again, it has this really cool mother of pearl abalone inlay pattern. Classic Gibson mustache bridge, bone saddle, obviously beautiful fingerboard that's bound throughout in white, black, white binding. Classy headstock again with that same vine inlay pattern. We have a bone 1 3/4 nut. Gold Grover Imperial tuners with mother of pearl buttons and a mother of pearl truss rod cover. As I said before, and if I didn't say it before, I'll say it for the first time now. We have a J200 that is dressed up for the ball, absolutely ready to go. And it actually has sound to match. So let's give this thing a play so you can hear what the J200 custom double vine sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.